Ang task niya is to look for the smallest particle. So ito pa yung cathedral. So yan yung Large Hadron Collider na kinukonstruct pa lang. Yung scale niya, ito yung tao. Hinahanap niya na yung Higgs boson, the so-called God particle. No? Kasi that particle gives us mass. May Higgs field, tapos Higgs field is made up of Higgs bosons. Tapos dun lulusot yung mga particles. May mga particles that interact with the Higgs field, and the more they interact, nagkakaroon ng drag, the more mass they have. No? Light does not interact with the Higgs field, kaya tuloy-tuloy siya. Siya yung pinakamabilis. It travels about 300,000 kilometers per second or something. So, yun yung light is the fastest na bumabiyahe. So, ito yung Large Hadron Collider. Nakita nila pala yung Higgs boson, the so-called dark particle. Tapos, gawa kami ng version ng Large Hadron Collider. Ito yung Atlas. Yung detector na yun, ang tawag ng Atlas. Tapos, ayan siya. Ito yung shinow siya sa Art Basel, Hong Kong with Rowan Lu. So, ayan, ganyan yung itsura niya. Tapos I leave you with a video of that hole. Nine inches lang pala ang depth nito. Ng one side. Per side, 9 inches siya. So, yun na po. Maraming salamat. Yeah, I think it's because there was a time when you wanted to be a priest. So, the question of why we're here has always preoccupied me. And I think, as I said, there are methods one is through faith. Hindi pa sa philosophy, sa science. And so, I think when I met a physicist,